Hey there, my name's Colin, and I just got this new floor lamp with some shelving set up and in the right spot. I don't know, like there's windows behind where the camera is facing right now, so it's decently light in here, but there's no ceiling lights in this room, so this is a space that needs some light in it, okay? So this is really nice, and also our couch in the living room is right here, which is interesting. So right beside the couch, I set up this floor lamp, and it has these nice shelving units, which is actually really awesome. It's a place to put your coffee, as you can see, or just a cup of water. We also have our little Apple HomePod there to play some music off, and a couple books on the bottom shelf. So it's just a nice, it doesn't take up a ton of space, but obviously it's the lamp as well, which is kind of nice. So there we go. Bring some much needed light into the living room. I think it actually looks quite nice. I like that it doesn't take up too much space, and the shelving units are also really great. In terms of putting it together, it came all separated, so you had all the metal rods here that needed to be put in place, but they just screw in really easily. Took me in between 5 and 10 minutes to set this thing up, so it wasn't hard at all. Easy to follow instructions, and the light actually has a few different light settings. So next time you turn it on, it's a little bit more of a yellow light, and then a little bit of a brighter white light, and then the most white light. So there's 3 power settings, and that just cycles through as you turn it on. Hopefully that comes through on the camera, but 3 light settings. And again, I think it looks good. It was easy to put together, nice to have shelves, and overall I'm really happy with it. It's the perfect, like, doesn't take up too much space in the living room, but still is usable. So I really like it.